If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today I have an amazing recipe of cookie, and you guys must have seen chocolate chip cookie, double dark chocolate chip cookie in my previous recipes in my channel. And if you haven't, go check it out. But this is a very different kind of recipe. Today I'll be making almond flour shortbread cookies. That's right. And shortbreads are usually they require a lot of butter to make it flaky and all that stuff. But I'm not going to be using a lot of butter. The reason for that is I'm going to be using almond flour, and if you use almond flour, you don't have to use a lot of butter. Like if you're making with all-purpose flour, you need a lot of butter to make it flaky and all that stuff. But almond flour doesn't require that much of butter. So yes, that is it for today's recipe. Let's get started. You will be needing a stand mixer, or you can use a whisker, and you'll be needing a baking tray lined with parchment paper right here. I have some almond flour, some butter, some vanilla extract, some confectioners sugar. Try using confectioners sugar because otherwise it's gonna make it grainy. And I have some salt, and I have a fork and a cookie like dough scoop kind of thing, scooper. So this is it for the things. Ingredients very minimal. You don't require too many things to make this. So let's get started. And before we get started, if you want the full recipe with ingredients and description, check out the link in the description box below, and it'll take you to my website where you can check out the recipe and also so many other recipes. So let's get started.
So my oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have my stand mixer here ready. I'm going to start pouring in the ingredients. So I'm going to add all the all-purpose flour. Sorry, not all-purpose, almond flour. I'm so habitual of using all-purpose flour that I keep saying that. Anyways, and now I'm adding salt, confectionery sugar, vanilla extract, and butter. And now I'm going to start mixing it. You want to start slow and go up to the maximum speed of 2. So it'll become a dough kind of consistency, and when it gets there, I'll show it to you then. So you can see that it has reached its perfect consistency. It looks like a dough now. I'm going to stop the mixture and show you what I'm going to do.
Now you can see the dough. It looks perfect. It is in a dough consistency. It is super soft. It feels very buttery even though you did not add a lot of butter. So this is the dough. What I'm going to do, I have a cookie scoop here, and I'm going to take a scoop out and place it right here. Yep. And I'm going to do the same for all the cookies. Whoops. Perfect. They look so beautiful. I mean, even though they're not cooked, but it feels like you can eat this dough. And these shortbread cookies are not going to spread too much, so don't worry about leaving a lot of distance between them, because they are shortbread, they are not cookies, so they're not going to spread out a lot. And I know most of you guys know that I live in Florida and I'm wearing a jacket. It's almost February, but guys, trust me, it is so cold. The weather is so different here in Florida. Almost done. 2 or 3 more cookie doughs left. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. One last cookie dough. Perfect. Hold on. Yep. And now the best part. What you want to do is, now the best part is using a fork. You want to press it down, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's watch it closely. Like so, and in the opposite direction. Just how a shortbread looks. Do it very gently. So this is how I'm going to do with all the cookie dough, and once they are done, I will show it to you and tell you what to do next. Okay, so you saw how beautiful they look and what I did with the fork. So this really makes and gives it a very good look to your shortbread. So now I'm going to bake it for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and until they are slightly golden brown. You can see the edges and the bottom, and every oven varies, so I'm going to do it for 8 to 10 minutes, but if I think it is not enough, I'll let you know guys once I'm done with the cookies. So I'm just going to put it inside, and I'll see you guys when they are done and baked and they look delicious. They are done. Just came out, not just like came out 5 minutes back from the oven, and you can see a very good color in them, like from the edges and also at the bottom. You can see this. And it took me 11 minutes to bake these. I told you it would be somewhere around 8 to 10 minutes, but it took 11 minutes. So you can also go ahead and do that. And if your oven, if you don't see a brown thing on the brown like color on the bottom or on the edges, just leave it there for more 30 seconds or 1 minute and just keep an eye on it. And that's it. It's very simple. So right now let's taste it. And oh my god, oh look at this. Oh my god, wow. It's very flaky, even though we did not use a lot of butter, it's very flaky. Oh my god guys, it is so good. This will perfectly go with your evening tea or coffee. Or just put it in your kid's tiffin box kind of thing. So good. It feels very buttery, even though it's not. So that's it guys, it's so good, my god. That's it guys. So this is it for today. I'll see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.